How to archive chats on ChatGPT. The very first thing you have to do is open up your Google Play Store and then search for ChatGPT, and then simply head over to download the application. Now, if your application is already downloaded, you can just open it up and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Then you can start any chat you want with the AI. And if you want to see your previous chats, you can tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner. And from here, you will be able to see all of your previous chats with ChatGPT. Now, if you want to archive a specific chat, all you have to do is tap and hold on it, tap on archive. It will not completely delete the chat, but what it does is it will hide it from your inbox so that you could also access it later on without deleting it completely. So now, as you can see, the chats have been archived. So let me just go ahead and create another chat. Now, once that is done, once the chat has been created, and once you've created a chat, you could just hold on it and then click on archive. And that's how you successfully archive any chat on ChatGPT. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.